We continue with the second part of the video. We solve the following problem. Jetalal's age is 3 times the age of PD. If the sum of the ages is 88, find their present ages. Since there is no mention about ratio in this part, and there are two people which are there in this problem, namely Jetalal and Bide, we have to use X and Y. If we had Jetalal and Bide, but there was some ratio given, then we have to use only X. But since no ratio is given, and since we have Jetalal and Bide, we use X and Y, which can solve the problem as follows. Let Jetalal's age be X. Then we say that Bide's age be Y. This is how we start. Now we see if there is anything about 5 years in future or 3 years back, something like that. If you read the question, Jetalal's age is 3 times the Bide's age, the sum of the ages is 88. There is nothing like something that is happening in future or something that is happening in past. So we directly attack the problem. Jetalal's age is 3 times the age of Bide. So Jetalal's age is 3 times the age of Bide. So we get X is equal to 3y. So therefore we get X minus 3y equal to 0. So we now bring this 3y this side to take X minus 3y equal to 0. Now one more part is saying the sum of the ages is 88. So we call this equation 1 and we say that sum of the ages is 88. So we say X plus y is equal to 88 and this becomes your equation 2. Now we solve both this equation using elimination method. So we say X minus 3y equal to 0 and we get X plus y equal to 88. Now in elimination method, since the two numbers in front of X are equal, we directly draw a line and we change the sign. Now X and minus X, they get cancelled and we have minus 3y and down there is minus y. So we get this as minus 4y. Since both are of the same sign, we add and we put the sign of the greater number. So we get minus 4y and we get is equal to minus 88. Now we can clearly observe that there is minus sign on both sides. Therefore, we make both the minuses as plus and we get y is equal to 88 divided by 4. We take this 4 down and we divide it and we get the answer as 22. Now to get X, we have to use either one of these two equations. Either we have to use this or this to get X. So now we use the second one, that is we use X plus y is equal to 88 since it's easy to look. So we have X plus y is equal to 88. We put 5 by 2 and then we get X is equal to 88 minus 22 and we get this as 66. So that solves the problem. So therefore we say that the Jetalal's age is 66 and we get Bide's age is 22. Now we solve a similar problem. Babita's age is 4 times the age of Tappo. If the sum of the ages is 60, find their present ages. Now, clearly we see that there are two people in this problem, namely Babita and Tappo. Also, there is nothing about ratio that is mentioned there. Therefore, we have to clearly use variable X and Y here. If there was something about ratio, we have to use only X. But since there is no mention about ratio, we have to use X and Y. So we solve the problem as follows. Let Babita age be X, Tappo's age be Y. Now, since there is no mention about what will happen in 4 years in future or 4 years before, we directly attack the problem. We have Babita's age is 4 times the age of Tappo. So Babita's age is 4 times the age of Tapu. So we get x is equal to 4y. So this gives us x minus 4y equal to 0. So this is our one. The sum of the ages is 60. So therefore we get x plus y is equal to 60 as 2. Now we have to solve both this by elimination method. That means x minus 4y equal to 0 and x plus y is equal to 60. Solve it by elimination method. Minus minus minus. We get, again we have minus 4y and down it has become minus y. So we get minus 5y. So we get minus 5y equal to minus 60. Minus minus gets cancelled, it becomes plus. So 5y is equal to 60. So y is equal to 60 by 5. We get it as 12. Now we use x plus y is equal to 60. We replace y by 12 and we get x is equal to 60 minus 12. Therefore x is 48. So therefore we get Babita is 48. Babita's age is 48 and we get Tapu's age is 12.